Hey y'all, I want you to meet my beautiful friend Pam. I love you, Pam. You're so sweet.
I love you too.
You
That's
guys are
very
going to
sweet of
love
you.
Pam, and I want you to follow her on her Pamela's Premier Properties, and I'm going to tell you all about it. So if you're looking for a luxurious getaway at a beautiful vacation property, she's got them for you all over the place. So let's tell them, where all do we have places to go?
Well, we have Carefree, Arizona, Santa Fe, New Mexico,
I've been to both of those.
Colorado Springs, Colorado on the top of Cheyenne Mountain. This is Kansas City. This is Norman, Oklahoma, and we have two we just purchased on Bainbridge Island across from Seattle. They're
Yeah.
not quite ready yet though.
Two new properties in Seattle, Washington, and they are beautiful. So I'm going to go ahead and put pictures of all of these luxurious vacation rentals, and we've stayed at a couple of them, and we've had the privilege to go and stay there, and you do a fantastic job.
Thank you.
I mean, she thinks of everything. You guys, you don't even know. I mean, from the minute you walk in the door, everything is taken care of. You don't have to go, you have shampoo in all of them. Everything.
We should have just about anything you would need.
Spices.
Oil.
Yeah, you don't have to go buy anything. That's what I love about it. So, because we went to Florida, and we went in and it was bare. We had to go to the grocery store and buy all the stuff. Salt, pepper, everything. Trash bags.
We actually pride ourselves on how much we overstock.
You do.
So,
you do. I'm telling you, it's very great. I mean, everything she does is great. So I want you guys to go to Pamela's Premier Properties and follow her and rent your next luxurious vacation, because it's wonderful. Santa Fe is absolutely beautiful. They have a swimming pool in the living room. It's amazing. And at Arizona, Carefree, Arizona, my sister calls that one the Bachelor Mansion.
Yes.
Everywhere we went, she said, "Will you accept this, Rose?" Because it is so beautiful. But all of her homes are absolutely stunning. You've got to go follow her at Pamela's Premier Properties and go stay with her.
Now I have to tell a funny story on Arizona one.
Okay.
Before we purchased it, the Playboy Mansion, they did a photo shoot there.
Okay.
Around our pool.
Good to know.
So all the neighbors had their binoculars out.
That's
looking
good.
around.
I bet they were. That's good. So now you know.
Here, anyway.
Yeah, so now you know. So, and we have this little book here at Gobbler's Mountain where it says, go ahead and plan your next vacation. So all of these places, they are luxurious. So go check her out at Pamela's Premier Properties. You will not regret it. And plan your next vacation.
Thank you.
And we'll see you.